Welcome to Purple Print, and in today's video we are going to be making a Pinterest pin for my own business. So we're just going to go to a template here, find one that I want to use. Let's see here. Actually, I'm going to use this one because I have a wellness planner that I made. So we're going to change the website here to my website. And of course we have to change like colors to be on brand for Marie Gems, and we're going to change that to that background purple, text. I'm just getting everything changed so it can be easy, and we're going to move that down, and this is going to be my wellness tracker. Let's see, what did I call it again? Shop, digital downloads, my wellness tracker bundle, printable or digital. So we're gonna copy that over. So this is how I design some of my base Pinterest pins. And we're gonna upload. Let's see if I can find some of my. Let's see. Okay, that went in there. Step tracker. I'm gonna put that down here roughly. And then this color, I'm gonna change it to that. And actually, I'm gonna change that to this. Copy. We're gonna add in a text box here and put the number 9, and we're gonna add in, change the color, and we're gonna fit it in here. So 9 Coquette self-care planner pages, wellness tracker bundle printable, or you can use it digitally. And there we have it, one pin. And if you want, this is what I like to do. I like to go in. Now these are just like free or premium through Canva. I like to go in and pick a couple and see what works and what doesn't work, and kind of go from there and just kind of keep track of what's working. So I'm going to put mariegems.com. And of course, we're going to change this to my color. Obviously, we got to change the elements here. And once again, we're going to I do not like that they do not have this as like I want it to be click and go. We're gonna do yield and pencils. And I want this one kind of right there. Now we're gonna go to position and kind of position the panel. And I'm just gonna have go there. So this is, okay, so I have what, 2 pins in like under 6 minutes, and this is what I love doing. I have trained my ChatGPT on how I do stuff for Pinterest. So I'm gonna go in and go into my personal Gemini here, not Gemini, GPT that I created that has my workflow in it. And we're going to download these 2 pins. Download, taking forever. Okay, download, unzip. Okay, we're just gonna go over here. I'm gonna take these 2 pins and put it in my custom GPT that I made for my business. And I'm gonna put in my link to the page. These are 2 Pinterest pins for my wellness tracker bundle. Help me come up with my titles, descriptions, file names, and alt text for these pins. Now it's just gonna do everything. So one thing I have specifically for my Pinterest, I have it give me what to name the file. So that way it's another place to put in your keywords. So the first one's going to be named this. So I'm just going to go over here and hit rename. So it's automatically renamed. We'll get to the alt text, but I'm just going to grab this one for pin 2. And then from there, I'm actually going to go in and create these Pinterest boards. And of course, toddlers are wanting to be crazy. He got mad, brother took a pillow from him. So we are going to go in and create some of these boards that it suggested here, because I actually do not have a lot of the Pinterest boards done for the wellness, as I just added it not that long ago, and I think I updated it. Yeah, wellness trackers. I'm going to go in and edit this to wellness printables, and then give me like the suggested board descriptions. So I'm going to go in and just make like 3 of these boards. I'm not going all in and like making 10 boards for the same product. I'm just going to do 3. And I'm going to go in real quick before I pin anything to this board and kind of find some other ones that I would want to pin to this. That's around the same thing. This helps Pinterest know what your board is about, especially if you pin other people's pins to it. So we're just going to go back to my account here, create new board, and we're just going to call this self-care printables, and we're going to create. I'm going to pin this one. Let's see, 3 printables, save. I'm going to hit done. Then go in and edit info, put my descriptions. And then the next board we're going to do habit trackers, because these are yearly habit trackers. So we're going to go in and create a habit tracker board. And from here, same thing, go in and save some of these that they suggest and hit done. Now I'm just going to edit the board and put in my description here and hit done. Now that I have my 3 boards, we're going to go back to the actual pins themselves. And I love using Tailwind, and my code for it would be linked down below if you want to use Tailwind as well. So I'm gonna upload pins, and it's in here. So here's the 2 already named out. I'm gonna just hit upload. And this as well, I'm going to go in and put my product link for each pin. And then we're going to go in and put my titles. Oops. Copy might help if I put that in the right spot. So, title, descriptions, oops, and I forgot to copy overstay. And now this is where the Pinterest alt text come in. I'm going to put this right there. Then my Pinterest title for pin number 2, copy. Pinterest description, and then my alt text for this specific pin right here. And now from there, I'm going to go ahead and choose my boards, and we're going to go with the 3 I created. So wellness printables. Then my habit tracker, and then self-care was the other one. And I'm just going to do that for pin 2, for this pin as well, but I'm going to put them in different orders. So we're going to do self-care first, and then habit, if my keyboard wants to work, and then the wellness. Reason that I'm switching it up is so when this pins first, it will pin to the wellness printables board, and then a couple of days later it will do the habit track, repin it to the next board, and then repin it. So the extra boards that it goes to are repins, not fresh new pins inside of Tailwind. And then from there I'm going to hit schedule and schedule out as well. And now it is scheduled out. First one going out on Sunday the 12th of June. So that is how I do my Pinterest pins. I go in and create some in Canva, and then go to Tailwind, schedule everything out, use my own custom GPT that I made specifically for my business. And that is pretty much how I do my Pinterest marketing. If you are wanting a free Pinterest audit, drop a comment with your Pinterest username, and I might feature you on the next video doing a free Pinterest audit account, so for a fellow small business. So leave your comments below, and thank you for watching Purple Print Creative, aka Marie Gems, here on YouTube.